Have you ever wondered how a simple act of awareness could potentially transform your life? Welcome to the exploration of the power of mindfulness. It's not merely a trendy buzzword floating around in the realm of self-improvement. In fact, mindfulness is a scientifically backed approach that has the potential to significantly enhance our mental and physical well-being. So, what exactly is mindfulness? It is the act of being intensely aware of what we're sensing and feeling at every moment without interpretation or judgment. Imagine the freedom that can come from simply observing your thoughts and feelings, allowing them to exist without trying to change or suppress them. Mindfulness, as a practice, encourages us to break away from our habitual reactions and to start living in the present. It's about being fully engaged with whatever we are doing at the moment, free from distractions or judgment, with a soft and open mind. Mindfulness, as simple as it may sound, holds the power to reshape our daily life experiences. Mindfulness, though seemingly a modern concept, has its roots planted deep in ancient cultures. It's a term that we hear frequently today, but the origins of mindfulness date back over 2,500 years to the teachings of Siddhartha Gautama, better known as Buddha. Buddhism, as a spiritual tradition, places great emphasis on the practice of mindfulness. The Pali word sati, often translated as mindfulness, was a crucial part of Buddha's teachings. He spoke of sati as the ability to be fully present and aware, without judgment. This practice was seen as a path to liberation from suffering, a key concept in Buddhism. As Buddhism spread across Asia, so did the practice of mindfulness. It found its way into various cultural and spiritual practices, each adding their own interpretations and nuances. Yet at its core, mindfulness remained a practice of cultivating a focused, non-judgmental awareness of the present moment. Fast forward to the 20th century, mindfulness began to take root in Western psychology. This was largely due to the work of a man named Jon Kabat-Zinn, a molecular biologist with a keen interest in meditation. In the 1970s, Kabat-Zinn developed the mindfulness-based stress reduction program at the University of Massachusetts. This program sought to help people manage pain and stress through the application of mindfulness techniques. Kabat-Zinn's work was revolutionary. It stripped mindfulness of its Buddhist context and presented it as a secular practice. His program demonstrated that mindfulness could have tangible benefits for mental and physical health, sparking interest from the medical community and the general public alike. From then on, mindfulness has grown in popularity. It's been woven into various fields from psychology and neuroscience to education and business, proving its versatility and relevance. Despite its ancient roots, mindfulness has found its relevance in our modern world, offering a refuge from the chaos of our daily lives. It stands as a testament to the timeless wisdom of ancient cultures and a tool for navigating the complexities of our contemporary existence. So why should we care about mindfulness? What makes it so important? Well, let's dive right into it. Imagine your mind as a bustling city, with thoughts racing down the highways, emotions popping up like billboards, and memories tucked away in quiet corners. Now, mindfulness is like the city's town planner, helping you navigate through this bustling city, making sense of the chaos and creating a more harmonious, balanced environment. One of the most significant benefits of mindfulness is stress reduction. In today's fast-paced world, we're often juggling multiple tasks, rushing from one deadline to another, living in a constant state of high stress. Mindfulness acts as an antidote to this stress. It's like a calming river flowing through our city of thoughts, washing away the stress and leaving behind a sense of tranquility. Then there's focus, the ability to direct our attention to where it's needed most. Mindfulness sharpens this ability, allowing us to concentrate on one task at a time, fully immersing ourselves in the moment. It's like turning on the streetlights in our city, illuminating the path we need to take. Emotional balance is another gift of mindfulness. It allows us to acknowledge our emotions without being overwhelmed by them. It's like having a sturdy bridge in our city, helping us cross turbulent rivers of emotion with ease and grace. The benefits of mindfulness extend to our physical health as well. Research suggests that mindfulness can lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and even alleviate symptoms of chronic conditions. It's like having a top-notch healthcare system in our city looking after its inhabitants' well-being. Mindfulness also enables us to understand ourselves and our surroundings better. It encourages us to pause, reflect, and gain insights into our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's like having a wise old sage in our city offering us profound wisdom and deep insights. Mindfulness, in essence, is a tool for living more fully, more authentically, and more joyfully. It's the key to turning our bustling city of thoughts into a tranquil, harmonious haven. And that, my friends, is why mindfulness matters. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, mindfulness offers a moment of calm, a moment of clarity, a moment just for ourselves. As we journeyed together through this exploration of mindfulness, we've discovered its true power. The ability to bring us into the present, to anchor us in the here and now, away from the tumult of past regrets and future anxieties. We've seen how this seemingly simple practice holds the potential to transform our lives, to infuse each moment with a sense of purpose and meaning. We've also delved into the rich tapestry of its origins, tracing its roots back to ancient Buddhist philosophy. We learned how mindfulness was not merely a trendy buzzword, but rather a time-honored practice that has withstood the test of time, its wisdom echoing through the ages. And most importantly, we've underscored the importance of mindfulness in our lives. In a world that often feels like it's spinning out of control, mindfulness offers us a haven of peace. It equips us with the tools to handle stress and anxiety, to navigate the stormy seas of life with grace and equanimity. So how can we incorporate mindfulness into our daily life? It's simpler than you might think. It's about being present in the moment, whether you're eating breakfast, walking in the park, or simply breathing. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, allowing them to flow like a river without trying to control or suppress them. Just a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a significant difference. It can help you cultivate peace and tranquility in your life, improve your mental well-being, and enhance your relationships. It can open your eyes to the beauty and wonder of the world around you, to the joy and richness of each moment. Remember, mindfulness is not about emptying your mind, but about becoming an observer of your mind. It's about awakening to the experience of life.